Happy wife, happy life.
We're getting ready to go to the theater. It's 6 o'clock, but we actually leave here like 6:05 to get there at 6:10.
Got all greasy hair. Look at that.
Nilagyan ni Calvo ng oil.
You got greasy hair.
Kasi nga yung, what do you call that?
I don't know if we don't know if it's eczema or.
Yeah. I think
doesn't
it's
go
like the
away.
dry scalp.
I don't know if it's cradle cap because it's not gotten any bigger.
Hi, bebe.
Picture.
Are you excited? You're not going anywhere but Judy's house. You excited to go to Judy's?
Go out there real quick.
Huh? You excited to go to Judy's? Dawson! Hi, baby ko! Hi, kuya! Ito talaga si kulit, oh. Kikita mo na yung kanilang personality. Si Dawson, iiyak lang yan kapag gusto ng gatas or inaantok. Ito talaga kulit. Si Brayden. See? Don't talk about me, mommy. Don't talk about me, mommy. Kulitis ka. Okay, you're kuya. I know, I'm gonna go get you now. Daddy got stopped by the stoplight. Kaya nahuli. What happened? What happened?
You ran the light.
I did not run the light. It's still yellow. What are you doing? Get the milk. Diaper bag.
Hey, buddy.
Hi everyone! Ito, papalabas na ng work. Papalabas na pala ng parking lot. Nakalabas na ako ng work. And it's sprinkling a little bit. So, I think Calvo will still mow kapag ganitong maambon-ambon lang. Pinagpapatuloy pa rin niya yung pagmumow. Pero kapag bumuhos na yung ulan, dun lang siya humihinto. Kasi he needs to get it done this week. Kasi nga magbabakasyon kami this weekend. Hi! Hi, baby! Brayden is sleeping. Hi! Hi, Bailey! What are you doing? Ha? Naglalaro lang si Dawson. Bebe! Hi, bebe! So the boys are here. Brayden is still sleeping. Parang pagod na pagod si Brayden. Pagdating ko doon, si Dawson ay gumagapang. Sabi ng kanilang sitter, they've been good the whole day. Kaninang umaga, medyo natakot lang ako kasi si Dawson, mahilig siya. Yung kanyang pacifier, sinusubo niya ng buo. So muntik na siya ma-choke kaninang umaga kasi nasa loob na yung buong pacifier. So Todd and I talk about we might have to stop giving them the pacifier unless we are there watching them. Kasi kapag hindi kami nakatingin, sinusubo niya ng buo. Pasaway talaga ng mga batang to. So yun guys, kami ay pauwi na. Ako'y nagmamadali habang hindi pa umuulan. Calvo is texting me and is still mowing. His brother is sleeping. Dawson, I trust Dawson kasi hindi pa siya gumugulong kaya pwede ko yung iwanan dyan. Unlike Brayden kung saan saan nakakapunta. Sige. Tuwan-tuwa na siya dyan. Ayan, gising na si Baby B. Hi! You woke up in your home? Huh? You say, Mommy? Tuwan-tuwa siya pagising niya. Are you surprised? You're home. You didn't even know you're home. Huh? You didn't even know you're home, huh, bebe ko? Bebe ko, my love. Are you my love? You and your Kuya Dawson? Okay, I'm gonna take you out there so Mommy can do the dishes. So yun guys, katapos ko lang maglagay ng aming labahin sa washer, tapos maghugas ng kanilang mga bote. Now I'm getting ready to feed them. Tapos tumawag yung kanilang lola. Excited na kasi sa bakasyon. So nagtanong lang siya kung nakapag-impake na daw ako. Hindi pa ako nag-impake kasi sa Friday ko na lang gagawin. Sa linggo pa naman ang alis namin. Yan. Yung dalawa iyak nang iyak kasi nakikita na nila yung pagkain nila. Ang sarap pala. Here it comes! Nakasimangot na, kanina pa nag-aantay na isubuan. I'm gonna fix the camera. Hold on. There you go. Now, who's gonna have one bite? Kuya! Nanggigigil naman tong isa. Good. Tell them it's good. Yum, yum, people. Say, hi, people. Hi, everyone. Hi, guys. It's yummy. It's yummy. Ikaw talagang bata pa. You better be fast because I'm feeding your brother. He's gonna get mad. He's gonna get mad at me. See? See? He's hungry. He's not playing. He is hungry. Brayden! Are you not hungry, Brayden? It looks so dark outside, so it's about to rain. Sana matapos na agad si Daddy bago umulan. Dawson, no. No spitting. Ay, nako, gaya-gaya naman tong si Bunso. Bebe! Stop it, Brayden. Don't play with your food. Baby. Good job. Good job, baby. Your turn, Bunso. Good job, guys. Yeah, baby. Here it comes. Yeah. Goodness. Gutom na gutom, Kuya. Are you hungry, Kuya? Brayden, big mouth. Brayden Regal, don't spit it out. One more, Kuya. One more. I will open up another one. Brayden! Stop it, Brayden! So yun guys, inaantay ko lang na matapos si Daddy magpaligo kay Dawson. Then I'm gonna take a shower. I already gave Brayden a bath. Nandito siya. Hey Brayden, no. Nakatingin sa TV. Bebe, hi. Yan, naligo na siya. Nakapajama na. Now it's Dawson's turn and Daddy is giving him a bath.
Yep, I just got done giving Brayden one and now we're gonna...
Yeah, I give Brayden one.
It's my surgery shoulder. Just kidding.
Ganyan si Kalbo. Arte-arte. Stop.
Beat her up, boy. My little
Well,
Mayweather.
I'm gonna show you guys what Ate Ashley got for the twins. She's back from Costa Rica and she got me a bracelet. It's like a bracelet. Tapos, magnet sa ref. Ito, may nakalagay Costa Rica. Ito binili namin sa Boracay last year. Meron din ganyan yung biyanan ko. Naka-display sa kanilang ref. I feel so nasty. Hindi pa ako naliligo. So, ito nga pala yung binili niya sa kambal. Cute. Sombrero. Ilalagay ko to kay Brayden. And shirt. Magkaiba yung kulay. Pero may nakalagay na Costa Rica. Ayan. Yan. Yung isa parang brown. I hope this doesn't look like a girl's clothes. Ayan. Para kasing may raffle yung dito. Han, is this a boys' clothes? The clothes that Ashley got, is this for boys? Okay. Para kasing pambabae. I'm gonna try this hat on to Brayden. Hoy, Brayden, ano ginagawa mo? Baby, let's try this on. Look at the camera. Ang laki-laki pa. Hi. Ang laki-laki. Medyo okay naman siya. There you go. Say thank you, Ate Ashley. Brayden, look at her. Look her. Ito yung regalo ni Ate Ashley. Naririnig ko nagtatawanan yung dalawa. Tapos na maligo.
Hey!
Nagkakape si Daddy. Daddy is drinking his latte. They just get done. Dawson said, put some clothes on. Stop, Daddy.
Come here, Daddy.
Ang cute ni Dawson.
You're so cutie boy. You're a cutie boy.
So yun guys, Cowboy's taking a shower. Now I'm gonna have to prepare our dinner. Ito ang aming ulam. Smoked milkfish. Bangus. Gustong gusto to ni Calbo. Simula nung natikman niya to, gustong gusto na niya. Dalawang lulutuin ko kasi matakaw si Calbo sa ulam. I mean, lahat naman natin ng mga Amerikano, ganun sila. Sa akin, ulo pa lang. Ubus ng kanin ko. Sa kanya, lahat talaga to. Talagang kakainin niya yan. So, I'm going to cook two. Ang laki pa naman ito. Tapos, babaonin ko na lang sa work yung matitira sa akin. Meron akong audience. Ito, oh. Batang maliit. Si Brayden yan. Lalayo ko lang sa lutuan kasi baka matalsik ka ng mantika. Kasi tulog yung kuya niya. Siya naman ay matulog. Kaya nilagay ko dito baka magising yung kuya niya. Mainit pa naman ang ulo. Hi, Cubs.
Hello.
What are you drinking?
I'm finishing that latte.
Still?
Yeah,
Who are you talking?
I never got to finish it.
Who are you talking?
Taylor.
So yun guys, magluluto. Habang nagluluto, si Mami, nagising din yung isa. Kaya pila-pila sila dito, oh, para malayo sa oven namin. Kainan. Nagwawala ni Brayden. Why, baby? Mommy is cooking. Daddy is taking a shower. Are you tired? Huh? I wanna hold you, but I'm cooking right now. Hi, Kuya. Are you okay there? Huh? Are you okay there, Kuya? Can you see yourself right here? There's a mirror here. Ay, nagising si Kuya dahil ingay mo. Sigaw ka ng sigaw. Babaliw na si Mami sa inyong dalawa. Nag-aaway na yung dalawa.
Okay, we're getting it going here. Hey! Stop!
Ang kulit talaga ni Brayden.
Get back in there.
He's laughing now.
I know. Brayden, I gotta get you in here. Stop.
Brayden, Riga!
Stop fighting me.
Nanonood lang si Kuya.
Okay, I gotta hurry. Hurry. Hold on. Got it. Is that funny? Is that funny?
You gotta put those until.
Oh my gosh, he's not done. I thought you were buckled in. Alright, come on, boy.
Where are you going, Daddy?
I'm gonna drive around circles and hoping they'll fall asleep.
It's because they're fasting. They don't know what to do. They already ate.
And they love going on rides.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're both tired, but they don't want to sleep.
Okay.
So,
Patience, guys.
Daddy will drive them around.
I want to give me something to eat while I'm out too.
I'm still cooking, that's why. I'll text you. You were
Let me get my phone. Hold on. I gotta get my phone. It's in the bathroom.
Oh my God. These boys. Your daddy is coming.
Can't find my phone. I'm trying to find my phone.
You were texting me.
Okay, it's over here charging. Okay, I'm getting my stuff. Okay. I need car keys. Here they are.
Ang kulit-kulit ng dalawa kaya yun, ano muna ni Calvo, drive muna doon habang ako'y nagluluto. Hindi ko kasi makarga kasi natakot ako baka matalsikan ng mantika. Kasi Calvo hindi naman niya kayang patahanin yung dalawa ng sabay. Sabay pa talaga sila kasi nga inaantok. Kasi si Dawson nakatulog kaso ang ingay ni Brayden habang nagluluto ako, nagising siya. Kaya mainit din ang ulo kasi inaantok. So it's only 7 o'clock. 9 o'clock pa yung bedtime nila. Kaya pag natulog yun ng maaga, mga 7 o'clock na ko. For sure, magigising yun ng maaga mamaya, madaling araw. But it's okay. As long as they're not crying like that. So yun, luto na yung aking bangus. Ito yung isa. Oh, muntik na malaglag. Yung isa, niluluto ko pa. Kasi ang laki-laki, hindi kasya sa kawali yung dalawa. So, sineparate ko. Tapos nangyari sa aming rice cooker pala, nasira. Biglang hindi na umandar. Tapos nasa kalagitnaan pa lang siya ng pagluluto ng kanin. Kaya nilagay ko na lang dito sa stove yung kanin. So buti na lang naluto. Akala ko hindi maluluto. Ini-in ko pa siya. Sana pagbalik ni Calvo luto na to. Kasi gutom na ako. So guys, ito yung isang buong bangos. At ayaw ni Calvo niyan. Yung may taba-taba, yung may, ewan ko, yung parang may skin, ayaw niya niyan. So, hinimay-himay ko yung ulam niya at ito, yung natira. Alam niyo, kakainin ko pa to. Gustong-gusto ko kaya yan, yung taba. Tapos, meron pa akong isang buo dito. Kaya, hindi ko yan mauubos. Babaunin ko sa work. Baka pwede, ito yung aking kanin. Luto na siya, finally. Niluto ko dito sa stove. So, Calvo and the twins are coming back na nakatulog na ata yung dalawa. Sabi niya wala daw siyang naririnig. Calvo is here. I don't know if they're sleeping. Ano ginagawa ni Calvo? Tagal lumabas. What are you doing?
I held the nail for the state to go on vacation.
Okay. Are they sleeping? Success. Kailangan lagi may gas ang sasakyan. Tulog yun talaga. Kulitos
Car seat
talaga.
tonight.
Ha?
Said they're going to sleep in the car seat tonight.
Tulog na tulog. Okay, isa. Buti na lang hindi na naulam. Makakain na kami tahimik ni Kalbo. Mostly naman di sila ng ganito. Kapag hindi lang nila makuha yung kanilang antok, ayan, sobra. Dalawa pa. Naghihilik.
Get something right there. Was it nothing there because you wanted to?
Aww. Look at that. Can you fix his head? Is he okay?
He's okay. What angels?
My angels. Look at that.
Is this one mine?
Kakadede lang yan.
Well, the babies were fussing pretty good earlier today, and took them on a car ride, and they both fell asleep. So I brought them back in the house. Dawson, he's still sleeping, but Braden woke up, and he's fussing and everything. But anyways, Jen had me buy something at Walmart a few weeks ago. It's to help support their head, because when they fall asleep in the car seat, their head like falls down. So she found something at Walmart, so we got it. It seems like it might be working out okay, and since Braden woke up, he's been kind of fussy, so we're going out to Walmart to buy another one of those headrests for the car seat. Right, buddy? He's still awake back there, but he is being kind of quiet right now. Well, we're at Walmart now. I'm gonna get him out. He fell asleep, but I think he's gonna wake up when I get him out, but we'll see. This little guy keeps waking up, falling asleep. He's confused on what he wants to do. Here's what we're looking for. You can see it around his head right there. We think it adds some support, but only time will tell. Now I gotta go find some Starbucks caramel syrup.
Naghihilik. Pagkatapos dumidi, bagsak din si Braden, napagod. Pagkagaling nila sa Walmart ng daddy niya, nagising ulit. Tapos pinadede ko lang, nakatulog. So yun, si Dawson at saka si daddy nila andun na sa kwarto. So now, I'm gonna bring Braden and I'm going to finish the dishes. Lagi kong inaantay yung huling dede nila para mahugasan ko yung kanilang bote. So yun lang guys. We're gonna go back to bed. Go back. Hindi pa pala. We're gonna go to bed. Actually, Dawson. Kasi he already went to bed. Tapos pinadede lang siya ni Kalbo kasi the last time they eat was 5 o'clock. So, sabi ko padidiin niya kasi magugutom yun sa hating gabi. Kaya yun, he went back to bed. Kasi ngayon, kami naman matutulog. Sana dire-diretso yung tulog nila like kagabi. Ganyan siya kahit nung baby pa siya. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat po. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, everyone.